We are at, oh, it's too much. We are at K1 Circuit, the fastest electric go-kart rental in America. It's $150 for 3 races. They give you a quick lesson on rules and safety before you choose between a red, blue, or black race suit. I went with the black. I'm feeling very cool. Ra went with the red suit, looking clean, and Jim is literally glowing with aura. Thank you, sir. Is that Hayden?
Yeah.
Dude, you could be any white man right now.
I like the black. I thought you were gonna pick red.
I had to go black. You look like you've been racing long enough for the race to start winning. You know what I'm saying? These carts are insane. Dual battery, massive motor. This is bigger than the Stark Varg motor. This thing couldn't be lower to the ground either. And look how the seat's actually angled to the side a little bit. Is that on all of them? These are insane. That's the controller. Look how big it is. Bash guard on the battery here. Dude, look at the brakes. Well, it's a rare photo too. I've never been in this fit before. This is why.
Thank you so much.
Dude, bro, that's so cool. Tim's out here straight dirt bike ready. What are you racing in the dirt or racing go-karts, buddy? Raw stunts in the red.
How you guys doing?
Good, good. Is this your race shed?
We rent out these garages to different teams that come out and practice.
Oh, that's neat. How cool would that be to rent out your own spot? Damn. Howdy. Thank you. Oh, nice. We do get one of these. Yeah, I'm right behind you, Tim. This is my beast. The fastest go-kart that you can rent. Easily as fast as anything I've ever driven. Probably way faster. Oh, it feels so good. Now this is how a go-kart is supposed to feel. I just melted into the seat, but I am off center. I'm like pointing this way. Hey Parker, do you know why the seats point to the right?
I don't know.
I'm so curious.
Kind of crooked. But some of them look straight.
Aerodynamics.
Is it aerodynamic? No, I was gonna say. Jim's a trooper, dude. Jim ate shit the other day. Hard. And I saw the video. And he's still, dude, he ate shit and immediately got back up. I had so much respect watching that video.
So this is probably the practice, and then the qualifier, you're just trying to hit the fastest time. That qualifier sets you for the grid start. Push in that red button, twist it to the right, and let it pop out. Perfect. Lighten down.
Beautiful K1 circuit. There's K1 speed, which maybe you've seen, it's like birthday parties and stuff. This is K1 circuit, which is like real race level karting, not just recreational. Oh, I want to pass Jim so bad. I'm following his line. He's got good lines. Yeah! How crazy is this? Let's see if I can pass Raw. This is a good practice. Oh, Raw! I'm letting Raw catch up for a second. Okay, he likes taking it slow. Okay, Raw. I'm coming on the inside. I'm pedaling the metal. Why is he faster than me? I'm going on the inside. Oh, oh my God, that's dangerous. Because what if he came right into me? Oh my God. We're good, we're good. You got me this time, Raw. All right, that was the warm-up round. I'm 1 for 1 with Raw right now. We both slid out. Oh, wow. That was awesome. Oh, that was you. It's so funny. I can't tell who's who while we're racing.
I almost hit him.
Yeah, I spun out right in front of her.
Everywhere he's at, somebody's going off the track now.
Dude, I thought you almost died, bro. Why are you taking the seat?
Huh?
Seat?
Oh, this is the race.
Oh, you need the booster seat.
No, the race seat. The race bucket. Excuse me, sir. Thank you for letting me use the race bucket.
You mean the booster seat?
The race bucket. How epic was that?
We're really out there ripping. So is that the full power you can get on these?
Almost.
Okay.
You have to, if you want more, you have to win a legitimate race here.
Okay.
But yeah.
Fair enough. Dude, that's plenty fast.
Dude.
I'm way down there. I'm 13 out of 15. I only beat the girls. I was the slowest male racer on the whole.
That's embarrassing.
SUR, sir?
I know, dude. I've seen the clips. Big fan.
Oh, thanks, dude. Appreciate that. So I had the lowest lap time of any of the guys in the practice round, and I think it's because I kept slowing down to see my buddies and whatnot. I wasn't racing the entire time every lap. It's gonna be different this time. I can't really reach the. Maybe I need one of those booster seats. I am speed. This is qualifying now for how we grid for the final round. Yeah. You're mine, Ra. I felt that one. That was good. I want to see the lap times.
Oh, how sad.
Oh, I'm number 7 now. Let's go. Damn, Tim, Parker, and Logan are in their own category. This is the final race. Jim's stoked. It was supposed to be staggered based on our qualifying round. Apparently there's no time for that. But we're gonna do our own sort of staggered start in the world's most powerful electric go-kart that you can rent.
You were the one that was getting chased around in LA by crackheads in the little mini Porsche, huh?
Yes, sir, that was me. Jimbo Slice, Tim Ritson. Let's get it, bro. Come on. Here we go. The green's up. Pedal to the metal. Final round in the world's fastest electric go-kart rental. Somebody just crashed next to me. I hope they're okay. It's hard to pass. Easy if it's Jim now. Ah, it went off the track. There's Logan. He's a seasoned racer. He's gonna pass everybody. This is what I've been training for. I'm just full throttle. This kart, it doesn't have a lot of torque, but it has a very impressive top speed. This is a workout. You gotta use your core, you gotta use your neck. Oh yeah, it's over for you, buddy. I'm on the inside. That's an advantage. Oh, I got another pass. Here we go. We're back at the pack. Oh, get f***ed. Oh, these are the ladies. I think we're lapping them. That's Ra's girlfriend. I'm coming in fast. They're going head to head up there. Oh, shit. Yeah, Hayden. Oh no, we're out. No. Oh shit. Oh damn. Fucking dangerous too, right in this turn. I'm gonna stop here. No. 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 Damn. Look how fast these guys are going. Oh my god. It's kind of cool just watching from here. Hey, boss.
Hey, dude.
Hey, I just stopped running.
Go ahead, go into the pit.
Oh, it's moving now. I'm obsessed. This might have to be a new thing for me. I want to build out my own kart because this is so fun, but it could use some more torque. It's still at 90% battery. That's okay, that makes sense. I was gonna say that's impressive, but look how much battery there is. Yeah. Oh, was that you that spun out?
Yeah, like 3 times.
Well, 6. Let's go. Let's go. I was about to be like, who's Logan? Hands. I'm as fast as you. Jim, you are. Let me scroll down here. Just kidding.
Easy.
I was a second and a half faster than you, big guy.
You're talking shit.
That's a lot in the race world.
Well, you know.
What you got right here?
Raw, you're below Jim. Oh my God, by a second and a half.
Like he was the last one.
Let's go, Jim. That's my racer right there. I want to like give you a hand or something. Do you slide in these? Oh! Oh! Dude, that's really dangerous. We're back and I have a little gift for Jim. I don't think he likes it. It's this rare Japanese G-Shock in his favorite color, purple. I think he's rocking it, but it's up to him. It's a thought that counts. Hayden is pulling up in his new truck with his new bonnell, so I had to throw my bonnell in there. We're heading to the local mountain bike trail, testing a new intercom that allows us to talk to each other and record the conversation. Bonnell gang, both from Ronster Rides. Did I just see you pedaling?
Yeah, come on, bro. It's acoustic. Look, and it goes faster. No throttle, it actually could.
Yeah, it's got a pedal assist. You're not that good at pedaling, though. Don't get me too excited.
Can I get a picture?
Of course.
Yo, can I get a picture?
Ooh, hard right. Hard left.
Neither. We're going through. Wow. Oh, no. It's muddy. It's muddy. It's muddy. It's muddy. It's muddy. It's muddy. Oh, my God. Whoa.
Yeah, I like this way. I took a good way.
Yeah, I think you took the right way.
Dude, this is so chill that I can be like just in your vicinity and we're like chatting.
This is a game changer. Hayden and I went to school for just 1 year together, 10th grade, in Rome, in Italy. And we had like a bunch of classes together, and we were the only few Americans at the school. So then I moved to DC, he moved to Philly, and we stayed in touch. And yeah, now we talk Italian to each other. We both have Italian, but just good enough as like a secret language. Only recently, after years and years, has he been able to move here to California. And on his way here, he drove in his truck. And I had to ask a favor from him, Ronster Rides related. We have a lot of scam and fraud. I mean, that's just the nature of doing business online. Oh, you got it, dude. You got it. Go right through it. Wow. And we had a fraud case with the bonnell, and these bikes aren't cheap, so I was like, we got to get this bike back. And Hayden was driving through the state, so Hayden, take it from there.
Yeah, so basically I, got information that we needed to get this bike from somewhere, and I pulled up to the guy. I was under the impression, hey, this guy ordered a bike, totally tried to steal it, got the delivery, said F you guys, and he just turned out to be a dude who was like, listen, I wasn't even trying to fraud you guys or anything, but I just really needed that money back to save my dog type deal. Dude, the tune on this bike is so just...
Yeah, I told Hayden if he could get the bike back from this person, then he could keep it. So now he's got the fresh bonnell. But he's repoed a bunch of other bikes, and no one else has been that wholesome. This happened to be a wholesome story. Usually there's straight scammers.
Bro, this is the only dude I haven't had to pull the AR out on. Seriously. Yeah, no, for real. Like, hold on. If we're really getting into all that, are we going up or are we going left? No, but as far as repos go and staff, Ronster Rides has people everywhere. The repos, listen to these states, okay? There's been repos in California, obviously, Tennessee, Connecticut,
Colorado,
that's right.
Pennsylvania, New Jersey.
Jersey, that was it. But yeah, think about that. We got the South covered, Northeast covered, West Coast covered. And if you're in the middle, we'll fucking drive.
One person actually got arrested for the fraud. Oh, you're about to do it.
I was thinking about it.
There's a tree in the way.
Nobody has trimmed that tree.
It's abandoned. I wouldn't ride here if it was an active golf course. Did you see that video of all the kids doing that in Australia?
In Australia, right?
Yeah. So bad.
At
At least I didn't see anyone actually tearing it up. They were just riding through it, but it's still a bad look.
No way, bro. A golf course is so meticulously manicured that just pedaling over a fairway or a green is disrespectful.
Yeah,
Bro,
of course disrespectful.
In golf etiquette, if you just stand on the green in front of where someone else is about to putt, it throws the entire putt off.
No way.
No, seriously, and you'll like get kicked out. Look at the coyote.
Oh,
come here, you motherfucker.
Oh, he's looking at us. So pretty. It is way steeper when you're at the bottom of it.
No, bro, hit it how I did. You see my tire track? Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, you're pedaling too, okay?
And that's rare for me.
The walk of shame.
It's only the walk of shame if you point it out. Now it is. Yes. Barely.
Really?
When there's a big divot right there, you go, yeah, let's go. Now turn to the right. Look at this guy. Walk of shame.
Hit it with the bit, chop, chop, chop. That's how you mean two-stroke bit, chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Yeah. Mine's like those annoying dudes on the 450s, like, bam, 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 bam.
You wanna ride that?
No, I'm so sorry. Well, you said it's your dream bike, though?
Yeah.
All right.
Actually,
Only because you said it's your dream bike. The reason I said no is because, like, people don't understand how powerful this is, and I don't want you to be a victim of that. Do you have gloves or anything? That's all you. The throttle's on, okay? It's a twist throttle. It looks just like a bicycle, but it's so much more than that. Is that kind of what you expected it to be like?
yeah, but this is way faster.
Nice. And that's mode 1, right? It goes up to 3. So. I was having a crisis going into this new year. After editing the 2025 compilation, I felt like I couldn't top it. How can I keep making a video a week without being repetitive or boring or dying? I don't know what happened recently, but I am feeling very confident and I've got some really exciting plans. This might even be the year I have my own flying vehicle. Until then, I've got a trip to Australia in 2 weeks, so I hope to see you there. In this video, we raced the fastest rental carts in America at K1 Circuit and ripped bonnells until the sunset. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end.
Yeah, I'm on